Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 3rd, and in part 3rd it is given that the sum of the digits of our 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. You have to find the number. This is a 2-digit number, so let's the unit digit be x and the 10th digit is equals to y. So obviously the number must be equals to 10y plus x. This should be the number, because we know that if you talk about any number, let's say 33, if you want to form this number, what you have to do is you have to multiply this 10th digit by 10, and after that you have to add the unit digit. Similarly, I am multiplying 10 with the 10th digit and adding the unit digit to it, so that you would be able to find the number. And according to the question, it is given that the sum of the digits is equals to 9. So obviously x plus y, these are the digits, so their sum is 9. So this is our first equation. And in second part it is given that 9 times the number. So our number is this. So 9 times this number, which is this, is twice the number obtained by reversing the order. Means the value of this is equals to twice the number when we interchange the digit, or you can say reverse the digit. Means if the digit is 35, I am writing is at 53, and if you want to reverse the digits, what you have to do is now you have to multiply the unit digit with 10. So this will be 10x, and you have to add the 10th digit to it. So our new number, or you can say the number after reversing the digits, is this. So 9 times the original number is given equals to 2 times the new number, which is 10x plus y. So this would be our second equation. You can solve it opening the bracket. So this will be 90y plus 9x. This will be 20x plus 2y. So x can be shifted that side, or you can say all the value I am shifting to that side. So this 2y will become minus 2y, 9x will remain as it is, and this positive will become minus 20x. The value of this is equals to 0. So 90 minus 2y is basically 88y, and 20 minus 9 is 11x equals to 0. Again you can take 11 as common. So taking 11 as common, this is 11 into 8, 88. This is x, this is equals to 0. So when this 11 shifted to that side, again it will become 0. So the value of our second equation will be equals to 8y minus x, or this can be written as minus x plus 8y equals to 0. Because the values are on the left hand side, so that sign should not be changed. Only I am shifting the digits, or you can say shifting the terms. So in this case, sign do not get changed. So now we have two equations. First equation is this, second equation is this. We can solve these by elimination method, and second equation is minus x plus 8y equals to 0. Again, you don't need to equate the coefficients, because the coefficient of x are already equal and their sign is already opposite. So you have to add them, not subtract, because subtracting them will change the sign and they won't be cancelled out. So adding this this can be cancelled, plus minus, this will be 9y, and 9 plus 0 is 9. So the value of y must be 9 upon 9, which is 1. So the value of y in this case should be 1. So the digit on 10th place must be equals to 1. Now substitute the value of y in any of the equation. I am substituting it here. So the value of y is 1. So x plus 1 should be equals to 9. So x should be 9 minus 1, which is 8. So the value of x must be equals to 8. Now we know that the unit digit and the tens digit. Now if you want to form the number, substitute values. So value of y is 1. So 10 multiplied by 1 plus 8. So this is 18. So our number should be 18. So this is how you can solve this particular question. Thank you.